Hello, hi there. This is Random News, and today's topic is cancelling 250 trains. Mumbai suburban commuters are likely to face disruptions from March 28 and 29 as per the railway officials. Western Railway will undertake a major 19-hour block between Andheri to Borivali to carry out key infrastructure work. The official release issued by the authorities stated that no trains will be handled on platform number 1 and 2 at Borivali during the block period, whereas several suburban services will be cancelled for short terminated at Andheri and Goregaon, affecting operations across the corridor. Authorities further shared a detailed list of cancellations, short terminations, and organizing services that will be made available at station master offices in the suburban section. 254 trains to be cancelled on Sunday. As per an official statement from Western Railway, 45 trains will be cancelled on Saturday, whereas 254 services will also remain cancelled on Sunday due to the block. However, to ease commuter inconvenience, 25 extra trains will be operated during the disruption period. In a key operational change, all 15 cars local trains will run as fast services between Andheri and Borivali in both up and down directions during the block window. In a temporary operational change, all 15 cars local trains will run as fast services between Andheri ADH and Borivali BVI in both directions. The block will also be used to fast track multiple pending infrastructure projects. Key works that will be carried out by the authorities include harbour land extension, launching of PSC slabs of ballast in readiness on bridge number 56A between Malad and Kandivali, a crucial step toward extending the harbour land up to Borivali. Kandivali deck construction, launching of a girder for one of the decks spans C16 C17 on platform 1 at Kandivali station. Additionally, another major block will be undertaken for launching a girder deck span between Pias C16 and C17 on platform 1 at Kandivali station. This activity is scheduled between 2 am and 7:30 am on the same day.
Please do subscribe my channel Random News.